You guys, we definitely have a problem. Like, why did I do this? Hi babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, TikTok made me buy it. Yes, TikTok said, girl, you better buy this or else. So I did, and all these products are from Amazon. I bought them on Prime this week. They all came between like Wednesday and Friday. Today is Saturday and I'm posting this video on Sunday, so happy Sunday, girl. But I have not done any type of video like this before. This is my first time. I am so nervous. I've done so many takes of this same little situation of me trying to say hi, but hi, Amazon, if you're watching this and you want to, you know, collaborate with your girl or any other company, my email will be in the description box below. And that's pretty much enough of me plugging myself. Anyways, let's just start unboxing. Obviously they're still in boxes, so I haven't seen these stuff, I haven't used them before, so I'm just gonna show you guys like what they look like and what I even bought it for. So let's start with the smallest package. This is the smallest package. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it real quick. Okay, boom. It's a phone case, because you guys, hold on, I just ordered 2 phone cases. I actually opened one. I could not leave my phone caseless, so I opened one, and I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this is what the case looks like. So I ordered it in gray because I like dark colors. As you can see, my whole bedroom is a dark aesthetic. And then in pink. So let me try this one on. It's the same brand, it's the same type of case, the jelly case. Ooh, I like this one too. So this is just what it looks like. She's really cute. Next item, this is the next package. It's in a bag. Okay. Oh, so I ordered these little stickers. Let me take them out the bag. I'm gonna put them right back in when I'm finished. I bought these stickers because I needed them for some bathroom DIY things I was gonna do. So I really hope you're not hearing my fan right now, but if you are, I'm so sorry. It's so hot. These lights are killing me. But let's get into the next package. Okay, these are my stainless steel drinking straws. How do you even, oh, okay, it's like this. So, ooh, okay, girl, she packaged up, honey. They're gold. I don't know why I bought gold, but they're gold. And it's like 2 different sizes of straws and 2 different type of straws. So it's like straight straws, bendy straws. They're not really bendy because they can't bend. They're very much metal. And a pipe cleaner for the straw so you can clean it. Yeah, so these are the straws. They're cute. I like it. I feel like it's gonna go well with the glasses I ordered too. So let's put this back and let's jump into the next package. These are done for. They're very much busted. I don't know if you could tell. You probably can't, but they're very much used. So I need a new one. And pink is my favorite color. I got gray just because I thought I was gonna do like a gray theme throughout my house, which I am. But this is my favorite color. I'm wearing a pink top, for God's sakes. Like, this is so cute. Let me see if they fit though. They're really plush. They're more platform than plushier. Girl, they have a lot of padding in it, so it's definitely thicker than the ones that I have now. And it's like a crisscross design. Let me see if it fits. They fit. It's a vibe. Here we go. I love the slippers, and they're a size 8, size 9, medium. So I'll definitely be linking everything that I have here in my description box if you want to purchase. So these are them. They're so cute. Next package. Oh. Child! Girl! Oh, okay. It's just a little busted, one of them, but I could fix that. So this is what the bottle looks like. Just one of them. I'm not gonna open all. I guess you have to screw this off, yeah, in order to like. I like this. They really care about like packaging and protecting their stuff. So this is cute, and I'm guessing this is a little stopper. Once you take it off, it could squirt, but you could put it right back on. So that's what it looks like. It's so nice and sleek. It's cute. I like it. Next package. So this is the tiniest box of all the boxes that I have here. It's just a few, not a lot. So let me open this box real quick. I feel like the boxes are going to be more intricate to open than the paper. So let's take this apart. What is this one? What is she? Oh, okay. Okay. So this is what this one looks like. It's literally a rechargeable lighter because I'm tired of my lighters getting missing, or just my lighters not working when I could charge them and have this for a lifetime. That's literally how the charger look, and I have like a lot of them in my house. So to lose this little tiny thing, which I more than likely will, is fine. So let's jump into the lighter. How do you even, oh, okay, hold on you guys. I don't know if you could see that, but I guess that's how you do it. And like, it goes like that to push it up, because you know, it retracts, and then you go, yeah, light that shit up, period. So I'm really happy about this, and it's black. I'm loving like little black accents, like as you could see it's going on there. So I'm very much here for this lighter. She's gonna do the job, and I'm gonna try my hardest to keep this lighter just like where I could find it each time. But let's jump into the next package. This package right here is the actual package that sparked this whole idea of just waiting until Friday or the weekend to open my packages on video. So this is what I initially bought. I'm trying to do my master bath now, in terms of getting everything together, soap, dishes, just making everything look nice and sleek and just organized. One band, one tune, one song. Yeah, so this is what I got, and I've been loving black accents, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this. So it is like shower caddy that you could stick onto the wall. I'm gonna just take off all the little stuff so you can actually see what it looks like. It's cute. I saw this girl's TikTok, and that's what really made me buy it. I think this is so cute. So it comes in a set of 2, and this is just what the caddy looks like. I think this is gonna be such a good addition to my bath, because girl, when I tell you I have so much like body care products since this year started, I've really like been taking my hygiene and just self-care serious. I've been using so many products in the shower, so this is definitely gonna come in handy. And then the bottle, bitch, it's a vibe, okay? It's a vibe. Next item. This is the next box. I've been waiting for this. Who did I see? I was watching Aaliyah's face, and she had this but in like a different color, and I was like, where did she get that from? I don't think she had linked it in her video at the time, but girl, when I tell you the amount of searching I went through to find this tumbler, and I finally, I'm usually like a black girl or I like pink, but I've been vibing with colors recently, and this color, bitch, not kimchi, It's like wasabi color. I'm living for it. Okay, so this is a tumbler. It's so stinking cute. Like, you're gonna have to like peel this off. There's tape on it. Hold on, let me get it off. Let me get it off. It will be linked in the description box for sure. Okay, this is the tumbler. Okay, it is a glass tumbler, and at the top you see like the silicone opening. You can't just open it like that. Like, it's gonna be sealed until you push the straw in. This is so cute. Oh, okay, and the top is just like a pop on, pop off. It's like with a sleeve, so you know, like your drink probably won't be too cool or too hot. It came with 2 straws. Don't play with her. So, you know, I'm loving that. She's cute. Next box. Let me open it real quick. So let me give y'all the backstory while I open it. I see this all over TikTok, and actually this is a Crate and Barrel dupe. Let me tell you, I was going on Crate and Barrel scrolling because, you know, I moved like 6 hours away from where I used to live, and so I just wanted new stuff, like all new stuff in my apartment. So I'm like, yeah, let me get some new stuff. There's a Crate and Barrel that's like 30 minutes away, and I've yet to go, but I'm definitely gonna go. I saw these online and I was like, I should get them, and I finally did. I didn't get them from Crate and Barrel because Crate and Barrel was taxing, but good old Amazon came and saved the day. Come with a little sweet note. Yeah, nice. We not. It's Amazon, child. It was packaged really well. You could tell. Look at my glass, my 16-ounce glass. It looked like a beer can. Isn't this so cute? I saw this on Kyra's video. I saw this on Amazon. I don't know who else used this, but girl, the aesthetics, the shape of the glass just nice. It coming like you drink from a Coca-Cola, a canned drink, a canned soda, a canned pop. So I'm loving this. I'm living for it. It's cute, and it's a set of 6. And it was actually really affordable. I think the set of 6 was like 20 or 19 or, girl, don't quote me. The links will be in the description. Okay. But it was really affordable, which is why I bought it. Like, I'm not gonna spend over $40 on 6 glasses. Like, you must have hit your head. Now that we're done with that, next box please. I definitely have an idea of what it is exactly. Backstory. So 3 days ago, I impulsively bought a hookah again. I used to smoking hookah all the time, honey. I'm talking hookah connoisseur. Like, I had a friend who was a manager of like hookah at the club. If you know, you know. She put me on, and like every time I would go to her house, she'd make me make hookahs, and I perfected it. Like, I went to the club one time, worked, got money, hella money, because I perfected it. And I didn't want to burn my coals on a stove because the stove will leave marks, and I hate that. So in order to prevent that, you use a coal burner, and this is what that is. Coal burners are really just there to serve the purpose of burning coal. There's nothing more to it. So that's what this is. I'm not promoting smoking hookah. I mean, I'm not even smoking a hookah, girl, child. Anyways, so it's a coal burner, and it's cute. This is what it looks like. It looks like a little pot. Usually the coal burners that we used at the club, it was just like a flat surface. You just pop the coals on and it do its thing. But I like this. I think it has like a cover or something. I don't remember. Oh yeah, this is like, you see like this coal stove thing? You could probably fry a quail egg on this, but child, this is what it looks like. And I'm loving it. It's cute. It's a little compact thing. You can just put it away. It's really nice and black. We're loving black these days. Like, we're living for the black. It came with like 2 thongs. I think that's cute. This is the real heavy duty thong, okay? And yeah, so that is pretty much it. I did not know this video would be like 15-20 minutes, but either way, I hope you had fun with me. The links for all these items will definitely be in the description box if you're interested in purchasing any of these. Let me know what kind of weird stuff you be purchasing on Amazon. I don't think these are weird. I think these are very much home essentials. You don't have to buy all this stuff. I'll definitely do a video of me using this stuff, or like give you guys an update on how I like the stuff, but I'm pretty sure like everything that I use is gonna be used well, and it's just not a waste of money. I'm just here trying to justify the fact that I bought all this shit off Amazon. This was probably like a cool 200 or less than that. I didn't buy that many expensive things. But this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more of these, because I will order for the sake of this video stuff that I've been meaning to get and haven't gotten for the sake of this video. So let me know, because this could be a monthly thing, this could be a bi-weekly thing. Some of the stuff I save and some of the stuff I impulsively purchase. So if you want me to do stuff like this more often, to just push out different content other than hair, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and TikTok and YouTube definitely influenced this video and made me buy half of the stuff that I bought. So yeah, don't forget to follow my socials, which is at Shesyourfave on Instagram and TikTok. And as always, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.